Hello, my name is Thomas Orths, and I'm here in Dubai in the Silicon Oasis, and behind me there's this huge display of the buildings around. I'm not sure whether all of them are already built or not, but it's certainly in the making. I'm here in this pineapple building, they call it, and just finished a workshop with the company over 3 days around strategies and alignment of certain parts of the world, regions. Very interesting. And this little video is just another contribution to this concept of the undivided leader. An undivided leader is in the moment. There's no division between what is going on and the stuff that is happening in the head, where he or she is racing ahead and not thinking about what's going on right now. Ideally, you are undivided in the here and now, not easy to do, and you pick up all the small things that can make a big difference. You notice that people are not holding eye contact, they're not listening properly, they are hibbling with their legs under the table, they are nervous, you can see it in their eyes. So something is wrong. In that case, you need to stop and wait for a minute and tune into what is happening at the moment. How am I perceived? How could I make a difference with a small change of behavior right now that shows I hear you, I see you, just tell me what's going on, and then you can adjust, and then you can move ahead. There's an interesting simulation that we do. Simulation, we mean it's an exercise where we put people in certain roles and then they do what they do to the best of their capabilities, and then because we have some dead-end roads and some traps that we install, they behave in hindsight, not in the way they want to behave, but that's the learning part. And there is the simulation where really one team is in one corner of the building doing some strategy stuff and the others are more preparing projects and detailed work, and then the two teams meet and then they clash. And it's very interesting how people afterwards realized what small things would have made such a difference. Rather than under time pressure coming in and saying, just this is it, this is what we need to do it fast, stop what you're doing, just go. You hit a resistance, you hit a wall that doesn't help, rather than saying, what have you done so far? What is your current reality? And we need to do something that is challenging. We don't have much time, but let's just quickly connect, become one, be on the same level, be on one page, and then let's move ahead swiftly from there. It doesn't take long, but it needs situational awareness. You need to be in the present moment. So therefore, this undivided leader stands a little bit for that, Don't be distracted in your silos, don't be detached from the people around you. We are all connected on a human level, we are all connected on an emotional level, but sometimes people don't see that, or they behave as if that wouldn't be a reality. So I hope that helps. 3 minutes 20, I think I better stop it here. Take care. Bye-bye.